Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Simply Natural Black Life. So today guys, you are going to enter my closet and I'm going to show you what I did to make it better for me and what I got rid of and some of the things I'm going to dispose of today. When I say dispose, I mean to eliminate some of the things that I have because I'm not really wearing them. And if you want to know, this is OOTD. This is 100% cotton blue jean wrap dress. No, I will not wear this outside without any bottoms on. So I just want to let you guys know that. So the beginning of this video, guys, was part of the video, the last part that was supposed to be on part one. So I just gave it to you in this video, and I'm not going to be here that long. So guys, I'm just going to show you what I end up doing. So as you can see, I have like all of my blue jeans here from light to dark. These are black ones here. I have like beige skirt, beige like wrap pants, white pair of slacks. I put those on the bottom, and then I hung like my whites. Okay guys, sorry about that. The camera just actually fell on the floor. So anyway, what I was saying was I got all my jeans down here, my slacks, my skirts, the few that I do own, and I have like my white things here, sweaters for the when it gets cooler. Have like, y'all know I love off the shoulder stuff with bows on it. Have that here. My one sweater that's wool for the winter. Um, my black sleeves with the puffs, blue jean jackets. I was able to hang my hats up here, but my plans are to actually, I'm gonna bring y'all in here in a minute, actually to not nail, but get some nice little hook things to put them on the wall to actually put my hats because I can't reach up there. I actually need to get a stool. So that's what I will be doing in the near future. Next time I'm able to get to like a thrift store, I'm going to be looking for a nice stool. And it's so funny that I'm saying that now because at one time I was in the thrift store and seen a stool and I kept saying, oh, I could use that, but I didn't even get it. So yeah. So guys, like I said, this is all my winter, fall here. All that I own here. My hats, here my caps that I use for when I work out. I was able to hang my luggage here, my tennis racket, and over here is all of my summer stuff. I have my t-shirts, my summer dresses, little crop dresses. You guys seen this one in the video. Seen this when I did the kitchen tour video. I like that. And it's trying to fall off. Don't get distracted. Don't get distracted. So yeah, blue jean shorts. Guys, you only need a few things because I don't wear all this stuff. And I'm thinking like I have to do something. I have to let some things go. So today I am going to show you what I am going to purge today. Actually, I'm going to donate some and I'm going to give one of the shirts to one of my girlfriends. So here are all my boots and I have them in order. These are like the short beige ones, black. Then I have my high heel boots. The next one are like fall boots. And then the last pair are my Timberland winter boots. And yeah, then over here I have like all my sandals, mule sandals, my one pair of my one pair of flat black shoes, one pair of pumps, and down here I have all my brown mules sandals and all of my tennis shoes. These are all the tennis shoes that I own. I do have a gray pair of Nike tennis shoes in the car. So that's like if I forget my tennis shoes and I want to go walking or something with someone, I'll have my shoes in the cubby hole of the truck. So yeah, and then I have a place to actually hang my extra hangers. I have my belt here, my one and only belt. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to end up letting go today because I just have to. I haven't been wearing it and I don't wear them. So that's why I'm doing it. And so the first thing I'm going to be letting go today, guys, is this linen shirt. You probably seen me haul it. I can't fit it anymore. It's a large and I knew it was too big when I got it and I just thought it would flow better. You know, if I just thought it would flow better like with a pair of jeans or something and it just did not. It was just too big and you can tell it was just like too droopy. So I'm going to be letting this go to a friend of mine. I think she will love this because she's really into all those 100% materials. So I'm going to let her have this. And that frees up a hanger. And what else did I say I was going to let go? I hope you guys are letting go of things too, y'all. We're getting ready to approach fall. So some of that stuff, I mean, look, think about it. I have not been able to wear everything in my closet. I just haven't. And that doesn't make sense to me. I think the less I have, I can wear it more because you have less. So you're actually wearing the items more. So I'm going to be letting these sandals go. I do not never really wear these, guys. These are cute little sandals. I'm going to be taking these to the donation center for, I think I'm going to go this time for the women's shelter because actually that place where I donate stuff for free is actually closed. So these are going to be going. The next pair of shoes that I'm going to be letting go are these. I don't wear these anymore. I had a dress that I actually bought these for. These are Jennifer Lopez, and they have a really nice rhinestone look on them. So these are going to be going to the woman shelter as well. So those are actually are 2 items so far. Let's see. And see what I did? I was able to make room, y'all, for stuff that I'm really going to wear and get used of. So I will take these and put these here. And actually, these are the shoes I'm wearing today. Really. These are really, really cute. I absolutely love these, guys. Naturalizer. I think that, yeah. Neutralizer, however you pronounce that. So I have these. And I actually wear those. So the next thing I think I'm going to, I have plenty of space here. I just have the stuff spaced out. So I actually can push, to be honest, guys, I'll have more space if I do this. I just had stuff spaced out. So this is how much more room I have in the closet. So let's just do this. Yeah, and that's better. I'll give you guys, I'm gonna bring you guys inside so you can see how much space I have. So yeah, I was able to put, like I said, my stuff for my bed linens in here. And yeah, I think that's it, guys. So 3 items I was able to let go. And I'm debating on these boots here. I'm going to see. So in the near future, if I do another haul or another, what did I purge? I'm going to bring you guys along, and those boots will probably be in the purge. So yeah, guys, going to give you a quick tour. I'm just looking to see what else I can get rid of, guys. Thinking, I'm not sure about this. I'm really not sure about this. I really like this, but I don't know, y'all. I already have one. I have this one that's like with the open right here. And this one just has it on here. So I am thinking I'm going to keep this one. And I am going to see if my girlfriend wants this, the one who I'm going to give the shirt to, because she likes things like this. And I think she may be able to fit it. I don't know. It's actually a size small. So I don't know. Cross my fingers. Hope she wants it. If she does not like it or want it, I will take it to the actual woman's shelter. So guys, yeah, these are my 4 purges. Now I have an extra hanger. And guys, too, don't be afraid. I hope y'all don't see anything. Don't be afraid to let go of stuff. You know, we can't wear everything every single day. So now I have more things to look at. Everything in here is what I wear, y'all. Like the stuff right now is what I wear. This is more like winter stuff. Let me bring y'all in the closet, okay? So, like I was saying, these are all the things that I wear. T-shirts. I have, like I said, my blue jeans dresses and stuff here. And here are like my winter dresses. Things that I wear when it gets cold outside, like for church and things like that. So yeah, you can't never go wrong, like guys. Less is more, less is more. So that's how that looks. And like I said, in the near future, I will be doing another purge probably. But everything I have right now is all the things that I want. And as you can see, guys, there is nothing on the floor. Nothing at all is on the floor. And that is the look that I was going for. So guys, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the tour. And here are the purges that I'm gonna let go. That is everything. So let me put you guys back over here. I see y'all. I see y'all looking over there. I see y'all. So yeah, let me know what's your favorite part. And like I said, guys, the bar that was up here at the top that was going across, I end up removing that because like I said, it wasn't really it served no purpose. It was in the way. So now my closet is more open. So let me know what was your favorite part of the video. And guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace and love always. And remember, love yourself so that you will love others and this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all.